You think you know everything about your Mac? Well, there's always more to discover that can make you more productive. In this video, let me show you some Mac keyboard shortcuts that can save you hours every week. First, let's start with Spotlight Search. To find anything on your Mac in seconds, press Command and Space together. Watch how Spotlight opens instantly. Now, you can type the name of any app to launch it, search for documents by keyword, look up definitions, or even do quick calculations, all without digging through folders. Next, if you need to step away from your Mac, you can lock it immediately by pressing Ctrl, Command, and Q at the same time. This is much faster than clicking through menus and is perfect for keeping your information secure when you leave your desk. Now, let's talk about switching between windows. If you're multitasking within the same app, press Command and the backtick key. Notice how you can cycle through all open windows of that app. If this shortcut isn't convenient for you because of your keyboard layout, I have a video showing how to customize it to something that works better for you. I'll link it in the description. If you want to switch between different apps, just press Command and Tab. This makes jumping between tasks seamless. If you love using emojis, there's a shortcut for that too. Whenever you're in a text field, press Command, Ctrl, and Space together. See how the Emoji Picker pops up instantly? No more searching through menus, just insert emojis right where you need them. For anyone who works with lots of files, here's a game changer. Showing hidden files in Finder. Just press Command, Shift, and period. Watch as all those hidden files appear in your Finder window. Press the same shortcut again to hide them. It's quick, clean, and saves you from ever opening Terminal just to see system files. If you need to clear your screen quickly, press Command, Option, and H. This hides all windows except the one you're using, perfect for focusing or cleaning up your screen before a presentation. To minimize just the current window, press Command and M. Want to minimize all windows of the current app? Use Command, Option, and M. Taking screenshots is easy too. To capture your entire screen, press Command, Shift, and 3. Your screenshot is saved right to your desktop. To capture just part of your screen, press Command, Shift, and 4, then select the area you want. For more options, including screen recording, press Command, Shift, and 5. This brings up a control panel where you can capture the whole screen, a window or a portion, or even record video. Perfect for tutorials or documenting issues. If you work with a lot of text, these shortcuts will save you time. To move your cursor to the beginning or end of a line, press Command and the left or right arrow key. Add Shift to select everything from your current position to the start or end of the line. This makes editing much faster, especially when you want to highlight or delete large sections without using your mouse. For browser tab navigation, use Ctrl and Tab to move to the next tab in Safari, Chrome, or Firefox. To go back to the previous tab, press Ctrl, Shift, and Tab. Try these shortcuts and see how much time you save in your daily workflow. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips. And let me know in the comments what's your favorite hidden Mac shortcut. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll join me soon in my next video.